Hey baddies, welcome back to another video. And if you read the title down below, you know why you're here, sis. I wanted to come on here and talk to you guys about my skincare journey. Then we can get into the good part, which is the routine, day and night. And I'm excited for you guys to see that. Just to explain, finding my skincare routine has been a trial and error. And you know, I'm still trying to figure it out between different products to try and use. I am open to trying different things as long as I feel like it works. Other than that, I've tried so many different products, good, bad, in between. I've tried expensive products. I've tried not so expensive products. I just want to let y'all know as a disclaimer right away, just because you buy an expensive product does not mean it's always going to work for your skin. You can find low-end products that work just the same, if not better. We're all about saving a coin on this channel, okay? We always want to save a coin. I just wanted to let y'all know that too, because I've tried it all. About my skincare journey, when I first started, I didn't have an idea of what my skin type was, what exactly I needed. I was trying all types of stuff, like from American products to Korean products. Like I was trying everything. Nothing was working because I couldn't identify what type of skin I had. Now I know that I am oily combination. I've been oily combination. Sometimes my skin gets dry and flaky, but mostly I am oily combo skin. I do tend to get oily in my T-zone a lot, especially when I wear makeup. That's always been like something I had to deal with. As you can see on my skin right now, I do have some dark marks, maybe a little hyperpigmentation, but a lot of dark marks on my chin. So I've been breaking out on my chin lately. I feel like I do get acne here and there, but I feel like my acne isn't like bad. Isn't really bad. It only comes like either when it's that time of the month and Miss Flo is here, or when my skin starts to feel a little bit on the dry side. I use products to help my texture, products to help moisturize my skin. But right now my skin is on the dry side because I only washed my skin and I washed my face in the shower. Most of the time I'm gonna wash my face in the shower, unless like I'm taking off makeup, then I'm gonna be right at the sink. I wanted to share a little bit of my journey with you guys because I know there's someone out there who doesn't know what skin type is, what products they can use to help better target their skin problems. And I want to let you know that you don't got to buy the most expensive thing to target your skin problems. You can go to Ulta, CVS, Walgreens, all your like pharmacy stores, and you can find like products there as well. You need to know what your skin type is in order to help best treat your skin. If you already know what skin type you already have, then you just need to know what products you need to purchase. And that's where I come in. I'm gonna show you all the products that I use for my oily combo skin that you can use at home. So let's follow me. Okay, so like I just told you guys before, I just washed my face with the La Roche-Posay Purifying Foaming Cleanser. That is for normal to oily skin. I use my mini exfoliating scrubber I got from Ulta, and I use that to just clean and wash my face. I'll insert a clip so you guys can see that from one of my TikTok videos. Since we did the cleanser, we're gonna go in with our toner, the T.N. Dickinson's Witch Hazel for face and body. And for the time being, I'm using this temporarily until I get my main toner at the store. So we're gonna put this all over. Basically, the toner's job is to bring back balance into your skin. Next is the serum, and I use on a daily is the Good Molecules Daily Brightening Serum. It's formulated with beta-arbutin and hyaluronic acid to gently brighten skin tone. So definitely needed for the dark marks that I do have on my skin. And you can use this day and night. What I'm gonna do is apply these drops and let it absorb into my skin. Then I'm gonna take that and rub that into my skin. Right after the serum, I put on eye cream, and this one is from Torridon. This is their Cell Amazing Firming Eye Cream. It helps wrinkle improving and darkening care. So it's gonna help with dark circles and wrinkles around your eyes. I'm gonna put this, let me get close in the camera. Just put them under the eyes like so. And then I'm gonna rub them in with this finger in particular, because this finger is gonna be your lightest finger. It's not gonna be as heavy as the other fingers under your eye. I would say go in with the, I guess what you would call the ring finger. And it's gonna help with hydration, any puffiness you're dealing with. So last is the moisturizer. Because I'm going to be putting on makeup after the morning skincare routine, I'm gonna put on the La Roche-Posay Double Repair Matte Moisturizer. This is also for oily combination skin. I use this one for my makeup because it's gonna absorb the oils on your face. So this moisturizer is also gonna help give you moisture as well as take away some of that shine. It's gonna leave you hydrated. So I'm gonna take this on the back of my hand. Get some of that and then dab it on my skin. Put it on the forehead, the T-zone. Rub it all in. Because like I said, this really helps like absorb the oils on your face. It doesn't make you look as shiny, because I know when you do your skincare, you do end up leaving shiny, but this helps minimize that shine. When you do put on your makeup, your makeup isn't gonna be as shiny, if you get what I'm saying. Sometimes if I feel like my lips are a little dry in the morning, I'll put on the Fenty Skin Lip Mask so it can kick up that moisturizer while I'm doing my makeup. You squeeze it out like this. And then get a little bit. And this one is the caramel one. Salted caramel. It's good. Okay, Baddie, so that was the morning skincare routine. This is the final result of that morning skincare routine. This is my skin now. And we will come back later on at night for the nighttime routine. So I'll see y'all later on tonight. And just like that, we're back like we never left. As you can see, it's nighttime now, and it's time for us to wind down and relax. We need to remove all this makeup so we can do so. As you guys can see, I have on my headband scrunchies to keep the water from touching my hair. If you know, you know, I love Jack Skellington, my favorite character of all time, period. So our first step in going into our nighttime skincare routine, the first thing you want to do for your nighttime skincare routine is double cleanse. Double cleansing is very, very important to removing your makeup all the way off your face. Because when you just go in with, say you go in with a cleanser, the cleanser's gonna remove half the makeup. It's not gonna remove all of it. You're gonna have to like wash your face only so many times before you remove all the makeup completely. What the double cleanse is more of an oil base, so it's gonna break down that makeup and remove everything off of your skin. So it's gonna break down majority of the makeup that's on your skin. It's gonna remove it, and then you go in with the cleanser and get whatever's left off with this. So the cleansing makeup balm we are using today is from Garnier. This is their Skin Active line, and it is the Erase It All Makeup Cleansing Balm. This one has hyaluronic acid, so it's going to hydrate your skin, remove all long-wearing makeup, and it's for your face, lips, and eyes too. It's a less expensive version of any balms that you can find at Sephora or Ulta. I kind of sort of just started getting really into it, so this is the jar. That's what the product looks like. Very hydrating. And a secret, when you guys use these cleansing balms, go in dry first. Rub the cleansing balm in your hand first, then go in and rub your face in with it. Then get water to emulsify it to make it more milky. It'll really help remove all the makeup once you do that. Once you emulsify it with water and go in a second time, you're good to go. I'm gonna get a scoop out. Good scoop. Gonna rub it in. That's how it looks. Rub it into my skin. I'm gonna rub it on the top of my forehead. Okay, so like a grease ball. Get a little bit under the eye where that concealer is. Now that majority of the makeup is cleansed off, we're gonna go in and double cleanse because we want to have a clean face when we go to bed at night, always. We're gonna go in with our La Roche-Posay Purifying Foaming Cleanser. I know my bottle will beat the freak up, but it's still so much in it. I don't know why it's like that. It's the more I use it, the more it like indents in. I don't understand that. We're gonna take our La Roche-Posay and our exfoliating scrub that I have here, and I'm gonna put it in And then I'm gonna take that and wash my face with it. Now I'm gonna go in and rinse all of the cleanser off, and I'll be right back. Okay, and as you can see, the face is clean as a whistle. Period. Feels smooth as a baby's bottom. So soft. Like, my face feels very clean but not tight. It's clean but not tight, and that's what I love. I don't like tight cleansers that make your, I like cleansers that make your skin feel tight. It's not good. For toner tonight, we're gonna do something different. I'm going to use an exfoliating toner, and this one is by Paula's Choice. This one is the Skin Perfecting 2% BHA liquid exfoliant that has salicylic acid inside. It's good for all skin types, so you can unclog and shrinks enlarged pores, smooths and even skin tone, and it's lightweight liquid, so it's gonna absorb very quickly on your skin. Pat my face with this. Okay, now the next step is to go in with our essence. A holy grail product of mine that I love so much in my nighttime skin routine is the CosRx Advanced Snail Mucin Essence. Oh my God, I love this stuff. I love the texture. I love the way it feels on my skin. I feel like it really hydrates my skin. It makes it very smooth, moisturized. So I only wear this at night. I don't wear it in the daytime, only specifically at night to get that moisture back in my skin from wearing makeup and all the things all day. So I'm gonna take 3 pumps of this in my hand. Rub that together in my hands. I pat that into the skin. Rub it and massage it into the skin. So next, we're now gonna go in with our nighttime serum, and that is the Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum. It improves the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. It's one of my main things that I love. I feel like it's definitely improved on my dark marks a little bit, as long as I stay consistent, of course. That in. Serums are a pat motion too, but it's up to you. I like to rub it in a little bit so it doesn't run too fast, and then I'll like pat it in. We're done with the face serum, and just to clarify, face serums go on the face, eye serums go on the eyes. Don't put face serums on your eyes and eye serums on your face. That's not what it's for. It's specifically for your face, and the other one specifically for your eyes. So just remember that when you're picking up a serum. Our newest thing that we've been trying, the Torden Cell Amazing Firming Eye Cream. It helps wrinkle improving and darkening care, just like the moisturizer. And just like I said on a TikTok video, this has the texture that feels like if you ever try the Tilbury water cream. To me, that's what it feels like. So I'm gonna put this on my outer part of my eye, 3 dots. Oop, same way. We're gonna take our ring finger, the lightest finger on your hand, and we're gonna rub it in, but don't get it into your eye. Go downwards if you need to. And once you feel like you've got a good amount of product here, take it around, massage the whole eye with it. But again, don't get it directly into your eye. You can go up to kind of lift your brow bone a little bit. If you want to lift your brow bone a little bit, just go like this. Now we're going to go in with the moisturizer, the Torden Cell Amazing Firming Cream. The Cell Amazing Firming Cream is wrinkle improving and pore refining. It has collagen in it as well, so it's going to firm. As a girl in her 30s, and if y'all seen that Nia Long and Keke Palmer podcast, that neck cream, put that right on the neck. Put that right on the neck, baby. Right on the neck. So let's rub it in now. as you can see, our skin is already looking very glowy, healthy, moisturized. So now we're gonna go in with our second to last thing, and that'll be our Sunday Riley Luna Sleeping Night Oil. It is a retinoid oil. It reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles while fighting the signs of premature aging and surface redness. And I'm gonna take this oil. It has a dropper. It's blue, my favorite color. I'm gonna do one dip here, a dip on the cheek, and a dip on the chin. Not too much oil because I don't want to be super oily, but especially before I go to bed, honey. And now our final step is to use the Fenty Skin Lip Mask. I freaking love this lip mask. It feels so good and my lips are always hydrated. I use this to prep for makeup and I use this to sleep at night or just throughout the day. Like, it's one of my favorite things to put on before I do anything. So baddies, that concludes my daytime and nighttime skincare routine. This video was informative. Let me know in the comments down below. Is there some products you like that you want to try? Or products you never heard of before? Let me know in the comments down below. Let's talk to each other. But thank you for sticking around with me this long. Make sure you like the video. And make sure you guys subscribe for more so you can come back for all the good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Have a good night.